it leans down, and the ocean starts to speak. Each wave taps a rhythm on the hull. The wind draws out a deep blue note. Seafoam fades like breaking crystal. Far away, the gulls wheel through their cries. Down below, the whales sing in bass. The whole wide sea is humming through the dark. Author Alton Nguyen invites you to enjoy the song. The first wave crawls across the wet sand. The next one erases the rhythm just heard. A little shell keeps a quiet lullaby. Coral trembles with the water's dreaming sound. Currents glide around the hidden reefs. An oar stirs a paper-thin resonance. A Bowie bell falls slowly through dissolving mist. I press my ear against the freezing hull and hear 1,000 movements in the deep. A low rumble rises where no shore can be. A ringing tone seems to call an unknown name. Clouds hang low while the wind becomes a breath. Rain touches sea with countless racing fingers. Sudden silence trembles like a string. Ocean sounds are drifting through the empty night. Now a whisper, now a break across the sky. Whale song crosses regions fathomless and dark. Tides beat time beneath the crescent moon. Every wave arrives with countless shades of sound. Strikes the hull, then wanders into open blue. Who is singing in the unseen heart of the sea? Dawn arrives inside the calling of the gulls. Black cliffs answer with returning echoes. Tiny fish divide the current like silk. Fishing nets release their drops in measured rows. A sea cave breathes a sigh through narrow stone. Sand beneath my feet rustles with crossing weed. One shell rings when touched by the tide. Ocean sounds rise through the brightening sky. Circle round the sails, then sink below the horizon. A storm begins to spin across the water. Distant terrain is weaving the closing ring. A drumbeat travels upward from the deep. A hidden lullaby sleeps under heavy layers. Who is listening to whom across the sea? Night returns and every sound changes color. Long waves move like footsteps without form. A trawler groans beyond the harbor mouth. Dolphins break in whistles through the shimmer. One horn call drifts across the silver fog. One heartbeat blends with voices of sea life. The abyss replies in bottomless low tones. Waves keep knocking on the shore without rest. Wind keeps moving through the midnight sails. A closed shell holds 1,000 unopened sounds. Distant wails are singing under blackness. One buoy bell returns and disappears. Offshore rain is drawing closer now. A single tone is rising from the bottom.